Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one again is in the healthcare field. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the well-known Mayo Clinic. They are hiring a pre-certification and authorization rep. Now, this is remote for the United States only. I wanted to share this position because Mayo Clinic is known for being very well paying when it comes to their healthcare positions. So it says the pre-certification and authorization rep is an intermediate level position that's responsible for resolving referral, pre-certification, and/or prior authorization to support insurance-specific plan requirements for all commercial, government, and other payers across their hospital, both inpatient and outpatient services, the emergency department, and their clinics. This position is also responsible for pre-appointment insurance reviews and denial recovery functions within the patient access department. So you may have to process pre-certification or prior authorizations for workers' comp and third-party liability as well. Now, it does not state if you'll actually have to be talking to any patients or do any phone work. This looks like it should be a non-phone position. In the healthcare world, most of the pre-authorizations for a patient when you're requesting them from an insurance company is done online through secure provider portals with that insurance company. You enter the patient information, their medical diagnoses, what they need the authorization to be seen for, and you can upload and submit medical records right there on the portal and then wait for it to be reviewed. If you are interested in this position, they only require a high school diploma and GED with 2 years of relevant experience. If you don't have any experience, but you do have a bachelor degree, they'll take a bachelor degree with no experience. So you do have some options there. Above that, they need somebody who has basic keyboarding and computer skills, good math skills, good communication skills, and they are looking for somebody who has knowledge of healthcare terminology like CPT and ICD-10 diagnosis codes. Now, they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this is a daytime shift, no weekends required. And pay for this position is anywhere from $23.68 an hour all the way up to $31.98 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.